So the other day when I came outside, there was about an inch of snow on the ground, and it was that really light, fluffy snow. And I decided to just go ahead and grab my leaf blower and experiment a little bit and to see how it would do as far as clearing the walks and the driveway. And I was really surprised. It worked out really well. I put together a little video for it, posted it on Twitter and Instagram, and for those of you that haven't seen it, I'll go ahead and show it and then talk about some thoughts that I had, whether or not it was a good idea, if it was effective. So first let's go ahead and watch that, and we'll come back and talk about it. So initial thoughts, I really had fun using it. It was really nice for the walks leading up to the house and behind the house. As far as the driveway goes, it's just too big and there's way too much area. It was way easier to use my snowblower that day. Could have easily have used a shovel because of how light the snow was. But for clearing the walks up to the house and around the house, and the tops of the trash cans, which I normally just take a snow shovel and just kind of pull it off. It worked out really, really nice. So any other time that I get the same kind of fluffy snow, I'm not gonna think twice. I'm gonna grab my leaf blower, clear the walks, and then use a shovel for the main part of the driveway. But I had a lot of fun. It was fun to experiment and try new things, and it ended up working out really nice. Yeah, so that's gonna do it for this video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.